Renault Clio 5 2021. If you're wondering where your cigarette lighter fuse box is, it's just right over there. I think it's number 15. So after this, you can see it's 20, and then the next one. So I tap my dash cam on that next spot. All the way from there, you see the ground going to that one, and it's working. So if I turn off the car, it will also turn off. Alright, so if you're wondering where the cigarette lighter fuse box is in your Renault Clio 2021 hybrid, on this cover, this one, if you turn it around, you can see this. Right, right, where's the right way is? So I think that's the right way. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and there's four bottoms, so it should be like this, right? So like that. So the top one, you see the 10A is the stop, right? Look at it, stop. Here's the 10A. Alright. And then what I have for the cigarette lighter, that's the 15A here. That one. Okay, 15A. So that's the one I replaced, which is this one. Where I stack where I connected my my dash cam. Right, so I hope that helps.